Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So let me show you how to use Mistral AI and their API and AI models directly in AIMogen'S. So this will be supported in the custom OpenAI compatible AI APIs. So if you want to use Mistral API, you will be able to use it in AIMogen'S. And let me show you how to do this. Be sure to update AIMogen'S to the latest version because it adds Mistral AI support in the latest update. And after you've done this, be sure to go to the settings of the plugin API keys, and in the main AI API settings, for the main API service provider selector, select custom OpenAI compatible API. And here in the fields from below, I will show you how to set up AIMogen'S to work with Mistral.ai. So first of all, let's create a new key. I logged in here in my Mistral AI API account. I go and set up also a subscription. Be sure to set up a subscription. They have free subscriptions. You can use the free subscription. And after you've done this, click create new API key, give it a name. Expiration can be left empty and create key. So this is your key. Copy it. Don't bother using it because I will be deleting this afterwards. And here in the OpenAI compatible API keys, paste your API key. So it is exactly like we have it here. Okay. Now in the OpenAI compatible API based URL, you need to enter exactly like it is shown in their API doc. So click on the API from here, and here you will be able to see, for example, if you click on this part here, you will see their URL. So this is the URL that you need to copy. The black part of the URL needs to be copied. So don't copy the entire part. You will need to copy only the black part. So copy this, paste it here, and copy only the part before the V1. So all the part of the URL before the V1 needs to be copied. And go back to settings, and in the OpenAI compatible API base URL, paste API mistral.ai. And in the additional AI model list, here you will need to enter the models that you want to use. So for example, let's use the Mistral small latest model. So let's copy this, paste it here. If you want to add more models, hit enter and add your other model. Just make sure that this model exists on Mistral parts. So you can get a list of models if you go and check their playground, or if you check their docs, you will find list of supported models from their part. Now let's use this and save settings. So now we set up successfully the Mistral AI, and it is able to be used directly in AIMogen'S with this new model, the Mistral small latest. Okay, so after we done this, we can go, for example, to the chatbot, or to the AI content editor, to the bulk AI post creators. We will be able to use Mistral.ai with this new model that we entered here directly in the plugin. So for example, let's go to the chatbot this time. We can also check the bulk AI post creators, omniblocks, content editors, and even more. So now let's go to the chatbot, refresh the chatbot page, and in the bot configuration, select the bot model from the drop down, the one that you entered. Note that the OpenAI compatible text will appear here, and the model that we entered. So select this model, and save settings. Be sure to save settings in the bot configuration, and here should appear the model that we entered. And now all we have to do is use the chatbot. So hello, it's nice to meet you. How are you doing today? So now we are using Mistral.ai with streaming because it supports streaming. As you can see, responses are appearing on the fly as they are generated by Mistral AI. And here it is, it counts now to 100. And now we can also use instant responses. I set now instant responses, and if we use instant responses, then the AI will generate the entire response in one go, as you can see here. Or if we switch back this to streaming, then the AI will reply as the response is generated in the AI directly. Okay, so this is how you can use Mistral AI as an OpenAI compatible API in Aimatic. Go ahead guys and check it. You will be able to use Mistral here. So let me delete this API key so it will not work anymore. And if we check the chatbot right now, because we deleted the API key from Mistral's part, this will not work anymore. Oh, it works. Interesting. I am curious how long this will work. Okay, so I deleted this API key. Let me refresh it. This is really interesting, as it seems that Mistral still continues to serve responses with using a deleted API key. Okay, so I hope that this will not work anymore when I will publish this video. I hope that Mistral will update their database and they will not provide any more results with my API key. Anyway, my account is free, so basically it should not be an issue. Anyway, this is a tutorial. Go ahead guys and check Mistral and how to set it up, and yeah, basically you will be able to use also Mistral and any other free and OpenAI compatible, not free but OpenAI compatible API providers. I will be creating more tutorial videos for them in the upcoming period. So thank you for watching. This is all for today. Like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Yeah, let me know other ideas that you might have in the comments of this video. This is all. Bye bye.